Alright, we got 400 in the game. So 400 there. See what happens. One full screen, make it all worthwhile. Full screen, make it all worthwhile. $10 a day. See a jackpot hand pay. One full screen, make a jackpot hand pay. Full screen, full screen. Jackpot hand pay, let's run it. Run it up, run it up, run it up, fill 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 it up. Fill it up, fill it up. Going big today. Smack it. 400 in, make it all worthwhile. Fill it up, big one. Fill it up, fill it up. Full screen, come on. Full screen, make it all worthwhile. Smack it, there you go. One more. Grand jackpot. Fill it up, make it all worthwhile. Grand jackpot. Grand jackpot. One more, do you the grand. Oh man, no grand. One more would have got the grand jackpot. Well, let's see what happens. We got $10 a bet, $400 in, so see if it's all worthwhile. See if it's all worthwhile. Ah, 1100. Hey, not bad. Under the hand pad. Almost. Not bad. So 1100. And I put in 400. So not bad. Put in 400 bucks. 1100 bucks. So hey, I'll take it. So that's cool profit, you know. 42 on the credit. $10 a bet. Going up, so we're in the Lions Den getting active. We're in the high limit room in the enclave. You heard? We're in the Lions Den, everybody's getting active. One more, if I'd have got one more right here, oh my God, it would have paid $62,000. But nah, this game was quiet. It was quiet. It wasn't making no noise. It wasn't doing nothing. It was just quiet. This game was quiet, not doing nothing. So there we go. So 1152 on the ticket. 400. So not bad. Time to cash out, and you're gonna take that as a win. That's 2 in a row, back to back. So that's how you're gonna do it. You're gonna cash out, take that money, and walk away. Walk away a winner, you heard? Straight like that. 752 on the profit today, so 752 on the profit on the Dragon Cash. We're over here in the enclave being busy. It's the high limit room, so 752 not bad. First game, first machine pulled up, got busy. I put in 400. It was all quiet, didn't do anything. Game did nothing. Then I finally got that feature, and then popped a good one for 1100. So $752 is the profit. And let me give you a little tip, man. Let me give you a little sauce for the Dragon Cash games over there. A little sauce tip. See, here, they don't pay the line hits like this. The line hits don't pay too much. The line hits don't pay too much. So what you got to do is wait for the feature. That's where the money's at. The money's in the feature at the Dragon Cash games, not the line hits, in the feature. So you got to play it so you can get those features. That's where the money's at. So they got progressives and shit. So don't expect to get money off the line hits. All the money is off the features. That's why the line hits pay hella low. So I just gave you a sauce. And how do you figure out what they pay? Just go to game options right here, and then just game rules right here, and then it tells you the game rules of the game. See, this is not Dragon Cash. Look, these line hits pay low. but the wild pays high, as you can see. So you just gotta read the pay table, see it's all pays low. So basically it's telling you the money's in the bonus with this one, with the wilds. The money's with the wilds. But that's how the Dragon Cash works too. The money is all here, so $750, not bad. And a quick $752. And shit, fucking 10 minutes max, straight like that. So stay tuned in. Show you how to get this money at the casino. You heard? Casino method. Alright, so took a profit win, $752, and that was real quick. I mean, I was in that room for less than 10 minutes, maybe 7 minutes at max, okay? And I was doing $5 and $10 bets, okay? I was playing very conservatively, $5 and $10 bets. And my bankroll was $1,200, so I came with a $1,200 bankroll. And see, those Dragon Cash games, the reason why I play those, these games, they get a lot of play, these games get a lot of play. See, these all have these, like, brands and stuff like that, they get a lot of play. So, like I was saying earlier, like what you gotta do is go to game rules. You go to game rules, and you just hit the game rules. It tells you all about the game. That's how you learn the game rules. But as you can see, like, they don't pay much. See, look, 150, 100, 100. They don't pay much. This shit don't pay much at all. But what does pay is when you hit the bonus and get those. You know what I mean? That's why they don't pay much, because you can win big. So know that these are progressives, and they don't pay much on line hits. They only pay big in the bonus. So the method for these is to play until you hit something in the bonus. That's the method for these. Just play until you get into the bonus. So kind of like bully the machine is the method I use for those, because they don't pay till you get in the bonus. These are called flat top games. They have no bonus. That's the bonus is whatever it says on top, but they're flat top, just no progressive. So you can learn a lot about slot machines. I learned a lot about slot machines, so I know a lot about slot machines. But always know you're taking a risk of financial loss. Alright? So this shit is not a game, even though it is a game. Alright? So please gamble responsible, whatever you do. Alright? Straight like that. Make sure you have the right bankroll. I had the right bankroll, $5 and $10 bets. Take a good win and walk away. As you see, video by video by video, I just take a good win and I walk the fuck away. Do not chase your losses. You'll get them back. If you just keep grinding over time, you'll get your losses back, all right? So I'm 2 in a row from my last loss. Last loss was $2,100, but I just won the earlier yesterday. That was 443, and then now today I just won 752. So I already got half the bread back already, just like that. So just keep playing your game and go on a winning streak. And winning streaks are very lucrative. That's how you make the money. The money is made on the winning streaks. That's how you build your bankroll. So keep building your bankroll up, and I promise you, you can continue to do this and make a lot of money. It's very lucrative, and every now and again, you will get big hits, okay? Big hits will come, okay? So you don't gotta force them. They will come, straight like that. So, always know, fortune favors the brave, no risk, no reward, no nuts, no glory, all right? So, found the value in this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and keep blasting off crazy powerful casino method gems, you heard? By none other than the one and only Spontaneous Productions. Gambling Goons. I'm about Gambling Goons, what up? I had a subscriber bump into me yesterday. That was pretty cool, right? Remember that? So you never know, who you gonna bump into. I bumped into, a couple of celebrity slot players up here. Brian Christopher, man, I've known him from way back. He used to come up here a long time ago. So, I met Mr. Handpay, he gave me the Handpay coin. And, I still got it. I still got the Handpay coin in my pocket. So I walk around with the Handpay coin. Let me see if I can pull it out right quick. Yep, got the Mr. Handpay coin right here. You feel me? Always keep it in my pocket. Met Mr. Handpay, and I hit 8 Handpays since I met him. All right? So, till next time, please gamble responsible, all right? Let's get it. Run it up. Yeah. Peace.